Windshield wiper motor. Wipers have helped in many ways, especially when rainy conditions kick and when water drops fall on the window shield. Seeing the wiper blades swipe the window seems simple, like simple mechanism, but you'd be surprised on how it functions explicitly. These smooth motions are only made possible from the key mover in windshield wiper, and these are the wiper motors. What makes wipers move? Wiper motors are a device in the wiper system that functions on a power supply. In order to move the wiper blades in a smooth motion. Like other motors, the wiper motor rotates continuously in one direction, which is converted into a back and forth motion. Its composition entails a lot of mechanical linkages, each playing a role in initiating the movement. The gearhead motor is the type of wiper motor, known for its abundance in torque. Configuration of wiper motors. Power source. In order for the wiper motor to move, it needs a power source. The different power sources are the car batteries, voltages, 12 volts DC, current, minimum of 1.6 amps at 70 revolutions per minute, 1 amps at 41 revolutions per minute, computer batteries, 12 volts output, and other battery supplies, that does not exceed the limit of 12 volts. Otherwise the motor is bound to overheat. Wiring, and electrical terminals. Another thing to consider, in the configuration of a wiper motor, is the wiring and electrical terminals. These wiring and electrical terminal have the purpose of organizing the configurations for wiper motor speed, or mode. The number of electrical terminals can range from 5 to 12 slots, for low speeds, moderate speeds, high speed, very high speed, manual function, off mode, common terminal, and the park switch. Colors. Wiring for the wiper motor has colors to distinguish the specific mode functioning. For yellow wires are typically meant for low-speed modes, while white wires indicate its use for high-speed modes. Other wire colors are used to indicate other modes. Low-speed modes for the motor usually require at most 41.0.9 amps for the common terminal, and high speeds require about 71.6 amps. If you want the motor to reverse its rotation, the power supply connection should be reversed. Remember, if the voltage goes down, the motor torque goes down as well. Use motor speed controller to monitor the speed, which is an advantage. However, when put onto low speeds, the operation tends to be too noisy. Mount. Lastly, you'd have to consider on how to mount the wiper motors. 3 mounting holes are adequate enough for the motor to be secured into place. But you can add extra holes, just in case, but not too much. Use 6 mm screws.